We have all dealt with that midday slump at work or on a weekend hike, where you open your lunch container only to find a lukewarm, uninspiring meal. It ruins the whole rhythm of your day. That is exactly why the Hydrapeak 25-ounce stainless steel food jar is a complete game changer for adults who refuse to settle for subpar lunches. If you want a massive upgrade from plastic meal prep containers and desire a hot, comforting soup or a perfectly chilled, crisp salad hours after you leave the house, this stunning ivory flask is your new best friend. What sets this apart from smaller, kid-sized jars is its generous 25-ounce capacity and heavy-duty, double-walled vacuum insulation. It keeps your chili, oatmeal, or pasta steaming hot for up to 10 hours and keeps cold dishes refreshing for an incredible 16 hours. The premium stainless steel build means it won't retain flavors or odors from yesterday's garlic curry, and the exterior stays completely sweat-proof and cool to the touch. Plus, the wide-mouth design makes it effortless to eat directly from the jar and a breeze to clean when you get home. It is fully leak-proof, ruggedly built, and looks incredibly sharp on an office desk or a picnic table. If you are ready to elevate your lunch routine and enjoy a fresh, home-cooked meal anywhere you go, click the link below for the best price. Tell me your ultimate comfort food to pack for lunch in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for more practical gear reviews, and I will catch you in the next video.